Welcome to the Love Vegan Kitchen, and this week we'll be making a variation of a dish we saw on Internet Nutrition, making frittatas out of a chickpea flour. So we'll be using a chickpea split yellow pea flour base for ours. I'm going to be making a cheese and onion basic version, and we're going to be making slightly more exciting Thai green curry style. Starting with the cheese and onion, we're going to mix half a cup of our flour to half a cup of water. Then simply whisk it up until all the flour is absorbed. So to our mix, we're going to add some white onion, and then we're going to add some of this Violife vegan cheese. Quite a bit of cheese, I like this cheese. And we're just going to mix this into our batter base. There we go. I'm going to transfer this into our silicone baking dish when we start cooking. Put this to one side, we're going to work on the Thai green curry. So we have 1 cup of our chickpea flour, we have 1 cup of this half coconut milk, half water. So we're going to mix the coconut milk with our Thai green curry paste. We just want to absorb all of the spices from the curry paste into the coconut milk. Perfect. So once all the spices are absorbed into the coconut milk, we're just going to mix our milk into the flour. And then same again, just mix all the flour into the coconut milk and water. So we've mixed up all of our coconut milk, our paste and our flour, and the coconut one sometimes comes out quite a bit thicker than the water cheese and onion version, so just add a little bit of water if it's too thick. You should be able to see the consistency, the way it just runs off the spoon here. That's looking good. So before we add our veggies into this one, we're going to add a pinch of sugar, maybe salt, sorry, half a teaspoon, and then we're going to add in some sugar, about 1 teaspoon of sugar. There we go. So again, we'll just mix that in, and then we're ready to add our veggies. Okay, so for our Thai green curry, we're going to add some Tenderstem broccoli. Pop some of that in there. We're going to add some white onion. Some butternut squash. And some carrots. Now you can totally play around with the mix of these. There's no kind of set rule for how much of each kind of veg you want in there. So just have a look at it, pick some of your favourites, and then you can always top them up. Quite like butternut squash, so I'm going to add a little bit more butternut squash to mine. There we go. That's looking really good. And we're going to transfer this over to our silicone baking tray, top them with some chilies, pop them in the oven. So we're just going to add our mix now into the silicone muffin tray. I'm just using a spoon. And you want to fill up each muffin tray. These don't rise. So there we go, just fill each one up, try and get as much veg in there as possible. It's looking good. So if you've measured out well, your 1 cup of mix should make you 8 muffins and your half cup should fill the other 4. And we're going to top the Thai curry ones with a little chilli just to give them a bit of extra spice. And then the cheese and onion ones we're going to top off with a little spring onion. Okay, and all you have to do is transfer these to a preheated oven. You will need 200 degrees for 30 minutes or 180 for a fan oven. So we've taken our frittatas out of the oven. They've cooled down slightly, so we're just going to extract them from the silicone, pop them on a plate to cool down a little bit further, and then they'll be ready to eat. So there you can see, just pop the silicone up and they just come right out. There we go. So there we have it, nice easy frittatas, bit of 4 cheese and onion, the rest are Thai green curry. As usual, we have some hungry people behind the camera, so we're going to feed the crew. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Oh yeah.